Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will focus on Addslice, where you can earn money by simply using your browser. It's compatible for Chrome and for Opera GX only a little bit. So as you can see, I earned very small money because I'm using Opera and the ads are showing only on YouTube, Twitch and other platforms. So I did not earn any big money, but if you use Chrome, you will most definitely be around one or two, maybe up to $5 a month. And it's really small money. It's not even pocket money, but it's free, and the ads are not annoying. There are small pop-ups when you open a video. You will see just right here the ad, or if you open Twitch streamer, you will see the ads on top of the chat, and you can still use your ad block to not show other ads than the ones you get paid for. So it's really easy. You register on the Addslice using my link I will put in the description, and then you add the extension to your browser. There you will see this. If you open it, this is your little dashboard where you can adjust the ads you want to see, and I have the most to earn the most, but because it's on Opera, I didn't get much. So there is also extension that is available only for Chrome, which is sliced up custom browser, and it will pop up when you open Chrome, and when you search there you will gain money just for searching in the browser. In that extension you can get up to 50 sats, which is, I don't know, around few, it's not even dollars, it's 0.012 or maybe more, but because I'm on Opera it does not work for me, and they have really easy tutorial. Then you can also get more from doing surveys. As you can see here, they are much higher paying than just watching ads. As you can see, there is 584, which is about $1, maybe more, and it takes from 10 to 20 minutes at max to do the survey, and you can instantly pay out, which I have not because I didn't reach the min value, but they do pay out. You can choose what do you want. If you choose through crypto, you will get no fee. On PayPal you will get small fee of 4%, which I do not recommend to use, because if you're withdrawing small money, you will get almost nothing. So after you register, you simply add the extension to your browser, Chrome or Opera, and then you just start using your browser like any other day, and you will gain small amount of money. Well, this is for the tutorial. Have a nice day, and don't forget to sign up through the link in the description.